All right, let's talk about something that could completely change how you use AI for coding. We're diving into a system called Everything Claude Code. The whole idea here is to take your AI assistant from just a simple tool and turn it into a genuine expert partner. So how does it pull that off?
I mean, just think about that for a second. What if your AI copilot wasn't just a one-and-done command tool? What if it had a perfect memory? What if it came with an expert skills right out of the box? Imagine an AI that actually remembers your project from day to day and learns how you work. That's the promise we're going to unpack today.
Okay, so first, let's get real about the AI copilots we use right now. We all know they're brilliant, right? But they're also kind of flawed. Anyone who's spent hours with one knows exactly what I'm talking about. It feels like having this super smart intern. They're amazing, but you still have to constantly look over their shoulder.
And that's where the everyday frustration comes in. The quality is all over the place. It totally forgets the project context every time you open a new chat. It has zero specialized knowledge about, say, the specific framework you're using. And don't even get me started on the token costs. It all adds up to this feeling that you're just constantly hand-holding your AI.
So that's the problem. And the solution we're looking at today is something called Everything Claude Code, or ECC for short. Now, I want you to think about this not as just another plugin, but more like a full-blown operating system for your AI agent. It's built specifically to tackle all those headaches we just mentioned.
So what is it really? Well, at its core, ECC is what's called a Comprehensive Agent Harness Performance System. That's a mouthful, I know. But basically, it wraps around your AI and gives it a major upgrade. We're talking three key things: a massive library of skills, a real persistent memory, and, this is huge, the power to continuously learn.
And look, this isn't some tiny niche project we're talking about. It has absolutely blown up on GitHub, over 50,000 stars. That is a huge vote of confidence from the developer community. It tells you right away that ECC is hitting on a real painful problem that a lot of us are facing.
All right, so how does this whole operating system thing actually work? Well, the first big piece of the puzzle is what ECC calls skills. We're talking about a toolkit with 94 pre-built skills that can instantly turn your generalist AI into a specialist.
It all starts with these foundational core development skills. For example, you can just flip a switch and instantly enforce universal coding standards for JavaScript or React. Or maybe you want to enforce a strict test-driven development workflow. There's even a skill for continuous learning that lets the AI pick up patterns from how you code. Pretty cool, right?
But it's not just about the basics. This is where it gets really powerful. The system has skills for specific frameworks. So if you're building a Django app, boom, there's a skill for Django patterns. Working on security for Spring Boot, there's a skill for that. Swift UI, yep, you guessed it, you just activate what you need.
And it goes even deeper than that. It's not just about code. We're talking about domain-specific knowledge. Imagine telling your AI, hey, you're now an expert in international trade compliance, or supply chain planning, or doing a deep dive security review. For specialized software, this is an absolute game changer.
Okay, so the skills are awesome, but ECC is way more than just a big library of tools. It's a whole intelligent system designed to make every interaction you have with the AI smarter, cheaper, and faster. This is where that operating system idea really starts to click.
And one of the biggest upgrades is memory. Think about it. Without ECC, your AI has amnesia. It forgets everything the second you close the chat. But with ECC, you get what's called persistent memory. The agent actually saves the context, so it doesn't just remember what you did yesterday. It learns and builds on it over time.
It also goes right after that big pain point, cost. ECC has smart token optimization built right in, so it can do things like pick the cheapest model for a simple task, like Haiku instead of Opus. It slims down your system prompts, and it uses lazy context loading, which basically means it only loads what it needs when it needs it. All of that saves you real money.
So what about trust? Can you actually rely on what the AI generates? Well, ECC has something for that too. It's called the verification loop. The idea is simple. After the AI writes some code, the system can automatically run tests to make sure it actually works. This creates this incredible feedback loop, making the output way more reliable.
All right, so that's the theory. It all sounds great, right? But what does this actually look like in action? How would you use this stuff on a real project?
Okay, let's take a common use case. Starting a brand new project. It's literally this easy. First, you activate the coding standard skill. Then you set up the TDD workflow skill.
And finally, you configure that verification loop for continuous checks. And what's the result? Best practices are baked into your project from the very first line of code. No more cleanup later.
Or let's try something more complex, like a security audit. This is where you can start stacking skills. You could run a basic automated security scan first. Then you activate a deep security review skill to analyze the tricky logic. And on top of that, you can apply a framework-specific check, like for Django security. The end result is a seriously comprehensive report with clear steps on how to fix things.
So when you see all these pieces working together, the skills, the memory, the verification, you start to realize this isn't just about making a slightly better tool. We're really talking about a shift towards a true AI collaborator.
And this quote from the project's own docs really hits the nail on the head. It's not just a config pack, but a complete system for optimizing AI agent performance. That's the key. It's not about fiddling with prompts. It's a totally different way of thinking about how to get the absolute most out of these AI agents.
So, if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this. Everything Claude Code is designed to turn your AI copilot from this forgetful jack-of-all-trades tool into a real, dedicated partner. A partner that learns, that remembers, and it specializes right there with you on your projects.
And that kind of leaves us with this really big, fascinating question, doesn't it? When our AI partners can learn and improve all by themselves, what does it even mean to code anymore? What is our job as developers when our main collaborator is getting smarter every single day? That's definitely something to think about.